Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to show you how you can add GPX files from your phone to your Amazfit Active 2 and then use these custom routes to do your activities like walks and runs using Amazfit Active 2. Now it's a very simple process. You first need to have GPX files on your phone, and once you have those GPX files, then you can just load them on the watch, and I'll show you how to do that. Now first you need to locate your GPX files into your file manager on your phone, and then when you'll tap on it, it will actually ask you how do you want to open these GPX files, and then you can find the Zap app. Now once you'll tap on the Zap app, it will open up the GPX file in the Zap app, and here you can take a look at the file, take a look at the root and everything, and then press save, and it will be saved to my root. And then this button will appear at the bottom, send to device. Tap on it and it will ask you which device you want to send it to. So I'll select Active 2, and this route has now been sent to Active 2. So now what you can do on the watch is that you can go in your activities. Now for example, here I'll select walking, and then go in settings, go in navigation, go in my route, and you will find your GPX file right here. And now if I'll tap on it, it will give me a few more options. So you can select use route, route preview, and start point direction and remove and all that stuff. So let's preview it. Now it has opened up in the watch. Now I think once the GPS will connect, it will show you the territory and everything. So let's select use route, and it's waiting for the GPX to connect. But if you select go, you can actually watch the map on the watch. Now it's not loading right now because I'm indoors, and the watch actually needs clear skies to connect to the GPS. So this is how you can load GPX files on Amazfit Active 2 and use them on the watch. So that's about it from this video guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.